Recording progress. Yes, yes. Okay. In 1 month, we're going to start with the questions and then we will see what happens. بعدين حنبدأ فيه واحدة واحدة ونشوفوا الأسئلة كيف يجنوا وكيف يتعاودوا. تمام؟ Okay. أول سؤال. In 1 month, 18,568 people visited a museum. What is 18,568 rounded to the nearest thousand? My voice is clear, right? You have no problem with my voice.
Yeah, we hear you. Yeah.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
clear.
Good. So what is this rounded to the nearest thousand? Rounded to the nearest
19,000.
thousand. Yes, when we round to the nearest thousand, this is the thousand. Let's take a look. هذين الunits, هذين الtens, هذين الhundreds, هذين الthousands, right?
It's first one.
So
The
the
last one.
thousands, we have to look at the number before it, which is the 5. When we round, we always look at the number before.
Oh, it's 19,000, mister.
So yes, it's 19.
The last one, 19,000.
Good, 19,000. I'm looking for the pen. There's supposed to be a. This is the pen? No, it's not the pen. I'm
بس
looking for
دير الانوتيشن بتاع زوم.
a notification. Oh yeah. Can I
Annotation
use the
بتاع
annotation?
زوم.
Yeah, good. I don't have to use the PDF. صح. Okay, so as we said, it's what? It's 1900. 90,000. I'm sorry. Yes, 19,000, which is this.
60,000.
You understand the idea, right?
Yeah.
Good,
Easy.
good. Let's move on. خلاص الأسئلة يبدأ شوي وبعدين يبدأ نشوف بصعوبة شوي. Okay, level by level. Okay, now simplify this. 9x minus 3y plus 4x plus 7y. كيف نديروا هذه؟
9 plus 4 equals 13x.
Good. So we add like terms. Good. Is that Abdurrahim?
Yeah. 4x and 9x.
Good. We add like terms. اللي زي بعضهم نزيدهم مع بعضهم. اللي زي بعضهم نزيدهم مع بعضهم.
It gives 13x.
Good. 13x. And then y's.
Minus 3y plus 7y.
4y. Plus 4y.
Mr. 4y
Good.
plus 4y.
Good. And this one. Very good. And the others اللي هن negative 3y will plus 7y then plus 4y. Very good. Plus.
So the answer is 13x plus 4y.
Very good. Plus 44y. This is the answer. You understand the idea?
Yeah, easy.
Good job. Let's move on. Okay? Next thing. It's not easy, by the way. Then not everyone knows like terms and like terms. By the way, في واجدين يلخبطوا في هذا هي النيجاتيف ما يحسبوش فيها. في يقول لي 3y مع 7y تعطي 10y. في واجدين يلخبطوا فيها. If you know how to answer this, it means you're good. That's good. Okay, let's move on. Next question. Question 3. Let's remove this. Yes, clear room. What is the area of this shape? Let's take a look at the shape. They need the area for this shape. تمام؟ نقول area.
Okay.
The area of shapes, if they are irregular كيف هيك ضروري شو ندير لهن؟ ما نقدرش نطلع الاريا للشيب هيك كامل. ضروري شو ندير له؟ I have to divide it. ضروري نحولها ل 2 shapes. ضروري نحولها ل 2 shapes صح؟ كيف نحولها ل 2 shapes؟ نقسمهن.
Yes.
Like this. So I divide the shapes into 2 shapes. فحيجي عندي 2 shapes هنا. هنا عندي 8 وهنا عندي 5. نقدر نطلع الاريا بتاع this part by multiplying the length by the width. لأن الاريا equals what? Equals width times length, right?
Width multiplied by length.
Very good. Width multiplied by the length. معناها عندي هنا ال 5 وال 8 لما نضربهم بعضها كم يطلع؟
Abdurrahim is asking you in the group. Did you
Abdurrahim in the what? I didn't. What? In the what, sir?
Me and Mayar only and are here. Yeah.
No, Abdurrahim, maybe I didn't kick you out. I don't kick out people. Come on inside, Abdurrahim. Use the link. Where is it?
Just like he kicked you out earlier.
Because he kicked me out, I kicked him out now. Abdurrahim, don't kick me out again. Come in, Abdurrahim. I didn't kick you out. Use the link. Not the link, the picture I sent you. Okay, how do I send it again? Here you go. Come here. Okay. يبقى شنو? As I said, we're gonna do what? We're gonna multiply the length by the width. Multiply the length by the width. 8 times 5 حيطلع كم لما نضربه 8 في الخمسة يطلع
It's 40.
40. Good.
40.
معناها good لأن 40 معناها الاريا بتاع this part here is 40 centimeters square.
Yeah.
Now after finding this part ضروري نشوفه البارت الآخر اللي هو المربع الصغير هذا. المربع الصغير هذا كيف نجيب السايدز بتاعتها؟ كيف نجيب السايدز بتاعتها؟ ما اللي يساعدني؟ How can I get the sides of this part? ها.
It's 4 multiply 4. No.
ها.
Yeah, it's 5 multiply 4.
But let's check. تو نساعدكم أنا. This part is 5.
We
صح؟
do
هذا 5 صح؟ و this part
Yeah.
اللي مقابله 8. معناها this part is what?
3.
the other
Good.
half of this part next.
Good. This is
It's
3 صح؟
Yeah.
بقى. What about هاي الآخر؟ نشوف الآخر. The other one
This
says what? ها. This part is 5. And all of
This
it
is
is 9. Ah,
It's
so
4.
what's this?
Mister.
Very good.
4.
4. Good job. So this one
The
is
upper half in the left is 5.
so this is 4, this is 3, صح? Now what's the
Yeah.
area لما قعدنا هذه 4 و 3 يقدر
12.
12. We multiply width by length.
Length.
You get 12. What's next? 12 centimeter. جاء عبد الرحيم ولا لا؟ عبد الرحيم عندك مشكلة في الكونكشن ممكن. 12 سنتيمتر سكوير عبد الرحيم. بعد ايش نديروا؟ جبنا البارت الصغير والبارت الكبير. كيف الاريا بتاع الشيب كلها؟ We add them together. We add them together. Good. عبد الرحيم I think you have a problem with the connection. عبد الرحيم ما نسمعوش فيه كويس كلنا صح؟ 40 plus 12 يا عبد الرحيم لأنه we got the small part جبنا صغير وجبنا كبير. تو نزيدوهم مع بعضهم يقدر شنو؟ equals
52.
Mister, I can't see.
كلكم you can see centimeter
تمام.
square. عبد الرحيم can't see بس يبقى 52 سنتيمتر سكوير when we add them up together. يا عبد الرحيم ممكن عندك مشكله في الكونكشن لان نحن كلهم يشوفوا ممكن عندك مشكله في الكونكشن هي خلتك تطلع. So check your connection بقى. بس are you recording عبد الرحيم? You're not recording صح؟
He left the session.
I think he has a problem with the connection. تمام. It's okay.
If you want
So
to
we
make sure.
yeah, he will check. So we understand the idea now. No problem.
Yeah,
So
no problem.
we found the area of the smaller shape, which is this one, and then the bigger one, the 12, what 40, and then we add them together. That's it. Easy?
Yeah.
Very good. Now let's move on to the next question. Let's move this. Question 4. هي answer 52, تمام? Let's move on to question 4. Paul scored these marks in his last 5 spelling tests. So we have 5 marks Paul جابهم في شنو في spelling test. أنا تمام. What is the mean mark of his marks? Or what's the mean of his mark? المين كيف نجيبوا المين? How do we get the mean?
Mister, I forgot how to get the mean.
How do we get it? But I'll help you out. فيها division here. We have to divide by its numbers. But I'll help you, right? So the mean, how do we get it? The mean, we add up all the data, we add it up, and then we divide it by its number.
which is 5.
Well, which
total
is
number.
5. Yani total divide the number. Total divide the number. Or sum divide the number. Yani sum of the data divided by the number. هذا هو المين يا ماهر, okay? So again, total
5
divided by the number.
Divide
Can you add them?
35.
كلهم 35 huh?
I added كلهم in 35.
And then you divide them by 5.
7.
7. So the answer
7
is 7.
صح? 1,
Yeah.
2, 35. Good. Divide 5 equals 7.
7.
Good job. Easy.
Yeah.
يبقى المين means what? Mean means you add the data together and divide it by its number. يعني تجمعهن مع بعضهن وتقسمهن على شنو؟ على عددهن. اوكي؟ هذا بالنسبة شنو المين. Easy?
Yeah.
Good. Let's move on to the next question. Question 5. What's the lowest common multiple of 15 and 20? The lowest common multiple of 15 and 20. Now, لو قال لي lowest I'm sorry, highest common factor, لو قال لي factor ديما الفاكتورز أصغر من الأرقام هذينا. لكن لو قال لي multiple معناها أكبر من الأرقام هذينا. المالتيبل ديما أكبر صح؟ multiple هو مضاعف. lowest common multiple هو المضاعف متاعها. معناها شنو الكلام هذا؟ معناها المالتيبل مستحيل يقعد 5 مستحيل يقعد 15 لأنه ضروري يقعد أكبر منهم. Do you understand this؟ يبقى lowest common multiple لأن multiple معناها it's multiplied معناها it's supposed to be bigger معناها ضروري يقعد أكبر من الأرقام اللي عندي. You get it؟ معناها يا إما 60 يا إما 300. But how can I make sure؟ How can I make sure؟ ناخذ ال 60 I will divide it on both numbers. If it gives me a normal number, a whole number, معناها it's 60. So 60 divide 20 equals what?
Mr.
Yes, Maya.
What if 300 is also gives us 15 and 20?
If the division of 300 is good too, he wants the lowest. Okay? He wants the lowest. Though 60 can be divided on 20 and 15, and 300 can be divided on 20 and 15, both of them are good, but 60 is the lowest. Do you understand? يعني هو يبي أصغر واحد فيهم أصغر multiple.
It's 60.
It's 60 صح لأنه can be divided on 15 and can be divided on 20. Do you understand the idea?
Yeah.
أيوة لأنه هو أصغر multiple أصغر مضاعف تقدر تقسم على الأرقام هذه. Okay? Let's move on to the next question. Abdurrahim is not there.
Yes, still not here.
Even the others are not here. I don't know why.
Yeah, they're busy with the tests, or maybe they have tests or homework. So.
Do you have a test coming?
It
there's no
didn't come a lot, yeah.
There's no test.
Tomorrow, you don't have a test? I don't know.
No
I
test.
told them, yeah, I told them about it. They should come. Yeah. Anyways, let's move on. Let's move on. I'll send them like a link and
Miss or test.
some people don't attend at all. They are in the group and they don't attend. I don't know why. Anyways, yeah. Trying my best.
Maybe they, because they go outside, or maybe they don't care, or
Because you are recording, so they can.
Maybe they're recording, so they can they see it. They see the recordings. Okay, no problem.
Yeah, maybe because
If they see the recordings, that's good. Yeah, I have no problem. Yeah, because they might be busy now, they can see the recording anytime. Yeah, that's good. Am I recording now? You can see that I'm recording, huh? I am recording, right?
Yeah, you are. I can.
Okay. Good. Now let's talk about question 6. Hey, expand. We understand the meaning of expand.
The 3 multiplied by 5.
Well, we're gonna multiply the 3 inside the bracket. So we're gonna take the 3, multiply it with the x. It's gonna be what?
The 3x and then multiply
3x.
by
And
5.
then by the 5 equals
15. So the answer
15.
is 3x plus 15.
very good. 3x plus 15, which is this. Easy?
Yep.
يعني خلينا الثلاثة ضربناها في الاكس، بعدين خلينا الثلاثة ضربناها في الفايف. Easy, right?
Yeah.
Let's move on. هذا هو الاكسباندing. تمام. ريت easy questions. طبعا يبدأ معك easy questions، بعدين يبدأ يتعمق شوي بشوي. Question 7. This cuboid is made from 1 centimeter cubed cubes. What's the volume of the cuboid? يعني شنو قال لي؟ قال لي الفوليوم of each cube alone. تحقوا فيه الكيوب هذا الواحد هو الفوليوم بتاعه 1 سنتيمتر كيوب، يعني هيك 1 سنتيمتر كيوب. هذا الكيوب الواحد، وهو مكون من كم كيوب؟ How can I know? I can count them، صح؟ لأنه هو يبي الفوليوم.
It's 1
I-
2 multiplied 3.
What's that?
2 multiplied 3 or never mind.
Okay, that's a good idea. Yeah, that's a good idea. But look معي، هو أعطاني الفوليوم بتاع كل كيوب وحدها. قال لي نبي الفوليوم بتاع الشيب كله. So أنا نعد الكيوبس كم ونضربهم في 1. That's it. يعني نعد الكيوبز ونضربهم في 1 لأن هو أعطاني 1. فنعد الكيوبز كلهن هذينا ونضربهم في 1. كيف
Which
نعد
side?
الكيوبز؟ Yeah, how can I count them?
In both sides.
All sides. لكن الكيوب هيك شكله ريتي أفني لها هيك الكيوب اهو. It's a 3D shape. قاعد من لا وراك ها. It's a 3D shape.
Confused, Mister.
Yeah, it's not easy because you have to look carefully at each cube. ريتي هذا 1 cube ريتي معناه كم كيوب؟ نبحث فوق ونضربه في 2. That's the idea. نعد لي فوق أنا هذينا ونضربهم في 2 because I have 2 rows. ها وحدات فوق وحدات لوطة. So I count the ones on top and multiply them by 2. 15 on top صح؟ multiplied by 2 كم يقعد؟ يعني هم 15. ايوه لان 15 اللي فوق صح؟ So I added 15 and I just multiplied them by 2. ليش multiply them by 2؟ ليش ضربتهم by 2 انا؟ لان هن دورين قاعدات فوق بعضهم اثنين.
Yeah.
So I get 30 صح؟
30 centimeter cube.
So the answer is 30 centimeter cube. Easy.
Yep.
Mister, but they say the diagram not accurately drawn.
Yeah, do you know why? Why they say that?
Why?
Because this is not 1 centimeter. That's the idea of not accurately drawn.
Oh, okay.
It's not one. They mean this one is not 1 centimeter. Don't get your ruler and use it because you're not going to get the right answer with a ruler. So you have to use what? You have to.
Drawn without a
you have-
ruler.
What's that?
Is the drawn without a ruler?
Yeah, it means it's not accurate. This is not 1 centimeter. So when you count it with a ruler, لما أنت تجيب الرولر وتقيسه وتطلع الفوليوم يطلع معك غلط because this is not 1
Even
centimeter.
that shapes diagram was not accurately done.
When the question has this, معناه you can't answer it with a ruler. That's the idea.
Mister, I think it's 1 centimeter.
Is it?
Yeah, I mean it's so small.
It looks small. Yeah, it looks small, but when you put a ruler on it, it's not. That's why they say it's not accurate. So don't use a ruler. That's the idea. They want to say don't use a ruler, but they put this on each question that has a drawing, so you don't use rulers for that. Okay. So the answer is 30 centimeter cubed. Very good. Now let's move on. Next question. Here, let's go. Question 8. Sorry, question 8. Question 8 is
Mister-
easy.
Mister,
Yes, ma'am.
questions are getting easier.
Yeah, you see they're easy, huh?
Yeah, they're getting easier, not harder.
Yeah, you'll see. You'll see. Wait, wait for it, man. I was going to start. I was going to start from the last of the end of the test, but I want you to see the easy questions first. This is easy. Do you see it?
It's super easy. 6 plus 2 and not 8.
8. So 3 power of 8, huh?
3
Yeah.
power of 8.
Very good, very good. Okay, good. Mister, I don't know why I can't join, even to write the passcode doesn't work. Try again, try again. I'll take a picture for the passcode again, okay? Okay, Abdurrahim is trying to get inside, but he's stuck. I think the connection is bad. Okay, let's move on. Look at this. Do you see Mayar? Same idea. They always give you,
Mister,
they give you,
this is so hard for me. I hit. Mister, this is so hard. How to do it?
it's so easy. I'll explain, I'll explain. Hey, first, do you see this? Diagram not accurately drawn. It means
Don't
what?
use the ruler. When they
Don't
say
use rulers, don't use protractors. Because here they're asking for what? For
don't
an
use
angle.
the form of ruler, right?
Yes, any rulers حتى البروتراكتورز لأنه هو he's asking for an angle. يبي الانجل اكس كم الزاوية متاعها. ما تجيش انت تطلع له المنقلة وتقعد تقيس فيها بالمنقلة للبروتراكتور because this is not the way you answer it. You remember the protractor, right?
Yup.
Yes, you can't use it here. You have to use what? You have to use the angles that you have. But it's so easy. Let me explain. تمام؟ هو يبي شنو؟ يبي x. Right? How do we get x? What do we have? عندي 25 وعندي 50. Okay? When I take a closer look to the shape, شنو هنحق؟ هنحق ان هذا triangle اهو. شوف وين؟ هذا triangle.
Yup.
الرول شنو تقول؟ تقول ان اي triangle ركان ما عرفتنا اي triangle
Yeah,
when you
with
add yes when you add up the angles of any triangle you'll get what? What's the sum of the angles of a triangle? مجموع زوايا المثلث شنو هن؟ The sum of angles of any triangle
I know it,
Equal-
but I forgot.
equals 180. Equals
Wait,
what?
this is very easy, Mister. Now.
Yeah. So it equals 180. So what do we do? How can we get D? How can we get D?
Abdurrahim is here.
50
Yes,
plus 25 minus
okay.
108.
Very good. So we add up the angles and see. Oh, running out of time. Okay, let's finish this. So we add up the angles نزيدوا هذه وهذه 50 و25 كم يطلع مع بعضهم؟
75.
75 صح؟ بعدين ننقصها من 180 75 ننقصها من 180 كم تقعد؟ 105 good equals 105
105.
به ال 105 هذه وين؟ هذه angle what؟ angle D. Yeah, wait عبد نحن عندنا 10 minutes so نكمل السؤال و I'll repeat it in the next session 10 minutes بس
Okay.
ضروري نكمل على حسب الريكوردينج بس.
The next session tomorrow. Yeah.
No, I mean now when the session ends I'm gonna do the session again the meeting again.
Oh.
Okay so أول حاجة نزيدوا الزوايا هذين عبد الرحيم 25 و50 تمام؟ أول حاجة درناها زدنا الزوايا هذين طلع لي 75 and then I subtracted from 180 نقصتها من 180 نقصتها من 180 طلع لي 105 من ال 105 هي الدي 105 تمام so this D is 105 105
نقصنا من 180 عشان
لأن مجموع الزوايا مثلث ديما 180 because the sum of the angles of any triangle is 180 so 1 2 3 مفروض يقدر 180 فجمعناهن we add them and we subtract them from 180 تمام به now let me tell you this take a look at the shape بام the shape شنو فيه السايد هذا is the same as this side okay and this side is the same as this side معناها شنو معناها this angle is the same as this angle and this angle is the same as this angle and the D is the same as this angle so if this is yes
105 plus 105 minus 360.
perfect good so this is 105 صح
Yep.
good لأن we have similar triangles
Triangle.
triangles yes so 105 plus 105 and we subtract it from what from 360 Why 360? لأن الangles angles around a point. زوايا مجموع زوايا حول نقطة. Angles around a point equal 360. So نقول له 360. Sorry.
minus 210.
Very good. 360 minus
210 equal 150.
good 210 210 اللي هي شنو؟ اللي هي زدنا ال 105 105 equals
150.
150.
150. Very good.
50.
So x equals 100 and what?
50.
50. Very good. Again for the last time نبدأ من جديد. قلنا زدنا الزاوية هذه مع الزاوية هذه قعدنا 75 صح؟ بعدين نقصنا 75 من 180 لأن 180 مجموع الزوايا of a triangle. And then we got 105. And then d equals 105. And because d is 105 معناها حتى دي 105. We add them together. We got 210. And then we subtracted from 360. We get 150. So x equals what? 150. Do you understand the idea?
Yep.
Very good.
Yes.
So let's remove this. So 150. This is the answer. Okay. Good job. Abdurrahim, you with us?
Yeah.
شنو فهمت هيك؟
ما فهمت.
كويس. Good. I don't know how much time do we have. How do you know? 5 minutes. Still 5 minutes. Okay, let's move on. We can answer another question in 5 minutes. So question 10. Question 10. Question 10 is so easy. تمام. أعطيني البوينت هذه point P وأعطيني point Q. شنو
You took a
يبي؟
job last year.
ماذا يا مثلا نديروا جراف هني؟
He wants the midpoint. كيف نجيبوها الميد
في النص بينات.
ايوه في النص. كيف نجيبوها في النص؟
نقسموها على 2.
ايوه مجموعهم على 2. يعني نجمع الاكسات مع بعضهم
نديروا هذول
ونقسمهم على
مع بعضهم
2
9
والوايات مع
3
بعضهم.
مع بعض.
ايوه ونديروها على 2. Now let's see how do we do it. بسرعة I'll use this. I'll use the text of the PDF. هي هنا. يبقى أول حاجة حنقول لك شنو؟ حنقول لك 2 زائد صح؟ 2 زائد 9 divide by 2 صح؟
Yes.
2 زائد 9 كم؟
11.
11 صح؟
Wait.
2 زائد 9 تطلع 11 right?
Yeah.
And then I divide it by 2 equals what?
لا. 5.5.
Wait. Sorry. No, wait. Why did we do 2 plus 9? We're not supposed to do 2 plus 9. Let's remove this. Delete it.
2 plus
X.
4.
Yes, we add the x's together and the y's together. يعني حنزيد ال x's together وال y's together. حنزيد ال x's اللي لدينا اللي هي 2 plus 4. تمام؟ حنكتب 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 and then I divide it by 2. Okay? Divide this.
تلقى 3 يا مصر.
Yes.
Equals
I divide
6.
this
Then divide 2.
by 2. صح? Where's the, I'm sorry.
6 divided 2 equals 3.
Divide 2 equals what, Hannah? 6 divide 2 تطلع كم?
3 and 3.
Equals 3. So the first one is what? 3.
3 يا مصر 3.
Okay. The second one.
So I think the answer is 3 and 3.
Good.
3
So
and 3.
9 minus 3. Divide by what? Divide by 2.
3
Equals 3. Good. Very good. So
The
divide
answer is
2
3 and 3.
equals 3. Very good. So the answer is what? 3 and
3 and 3.
3. Good. We have 3 in the x and 3 in the y. So the answer will be 3 and 3. And this is the midpoint of these coordinates. Easy.
Yep.
يبقى we got the x and the y for each one of them. هذه ال x and this is the y. Good. You understand the idea?
Yeah.
Very good. Now we still have 2 minutes. Let's see the next question.
Yeah,
Does
2
it
minutes until
work?
the end of the
I think at the end of the session, I'll do another one. Let me check if the question is easy. Stem and leaf diagram, centimeters, 50
Oh,
students.
that's
What's the
what
median?
we took earlier.
The median. مش قلت لكم يجن في الاي جيز؟ جن في الاي جيز. This is
Yes,
2012, okay, but it comes in
this
the
is
IGs. This is an IG. Okay, let's check. Okay, Hannah, he wants the median. He wants what? The median. How do we get the median? The median is half of the data. كيف نجيب الميديان في الداتا هنا؟ إن مرتبات. They are ordered. What do I do? نحول واحد من هنا وواحد من هنا. واحد من هنا وواحد من هنا. Okay. So I remove one from the beginning, one from the end. Beginning, end. Beginning, end. Beginning, end. Beginning, end. And I end up with this number in the middle. كم يقعد هذا؟ كيف تقرأ هذا؟
166.
Very good. تقرأ مع هذا. Very good. يقعد 166. كم حولنا نحن من البيجنينج والاند؟ ضروري تركز عليها هذه. حولنا 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. المفروض حتى الاخرات 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6. اوه ذاتس رونج معناها حولنا واجد. معناها ذاتس رونج. معناها ضروري تركز كم تحول. اوكي. تعال نحول من جديد. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 3 4 5 6 6 7 7. قاعد عندي هذا أنا 7 7 صح؟ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. معناها الانسر شنو؟
حاول 8 مصر من أي واحد من كلهم.
نو 7 7 يا عبد الرحيم من قدامه من لا ورا. يقعد 163.
هم 16 مصر.
يس تنقرا مع بعضها هيك 163 يا عبد الرحيم.
لا مصر بحث نعديك.
لا احنا 15 احنا 15 عبد الرحيم هنا 15 15 15 هنا. فيقعد هذا اللي في النص يحولوا
رقم مرة.
يحولوا 7 7. اوكي